Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by targeting the exact printer and account that has the stuck jobs. This avoids canceling the wrong work. On Windows, open the printer queue from Settings or Control Panel. On Mac OS, go to System Settings, Printers and Scanners, and select the device. Once visible, pause or stop the spooler to prevent new submissions while you act. Pausing ensures you can remove jobs cleanly and explains why you don't simply delete files and risk immediate reprints. Now you perform the central cleanup. On Windows, stop the print spooler service, then remove all files in the spool folder to delete queued jobs and restart the service. This clears the pipeline. On Mac OS, cancel each job in the queue and, if necessary, reset the printing system to purge hidden entries. For network devices, log into the printer's web admin or power cycle it to clear internal memory. Doing this resets state and explains why jobs vanish instead of lingering. Finish by restarting the spooler or printer and sending a one-page test to confirm the queue behaves. This proves the problem is resolved. If canceled jobs reappear, inspect user devices, drivers, and permissions. Sometimes a client resubmits automatically. Check queued folders and clear stuck entries again if needed. As a single troubleshooting tip, update firmware and drivers and set the spooler to automatic restart so you reduce recurrence. If that fails, reboot the host machine and reevaluate logs to identify the persistent source.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.